Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lindo and I'm known as Lindo. So today we're going to talk about just my experience over the past 3 weeks. Me cooking for myself. Yes, it's my first time cooking for myself at rest. For the past 3 years, I was staying at a catered resident, meaning that I was getting food at dining hall, breakfast, lunch, and supper. I didn't have to cook. I didn't have any cooking utensils. I didn't have anything. So it was kind of scared when I was given an offer at a self-catering restaurant. I was like, oh my God, how am I going to cook myself? Why would I have time to cook? Am I going to burn the building down? In general, not just at the rest, I hate cooking. Or maybe I used to believe that I hate cooking. But then since I came here, I never got that feeling, that cringing or frowning when I have to cook. I think the problem is that I don't hate cooking. I just hating cooking for a bunch of people. Oh my God, my family will have to forgive me for this. But I don't think I hate cooking. Ever since I got here, I just enjoy cooking. When it's time for me to cook, I just cook, I eat. Maybe it's just the fact that after I cook here, I just eat. No one is complaining to me about the salt. No one is complaining that this is bland, this tastes horrible, there's too much chili in here, you did not add too much oil, you did not add that, you did not add that, you forgot to do that. Oh, those kind of things. Yeah, maybe I just hate that. I just hate all the opinions and the comments after you get after the cooking. But here, when I'm just cooking for myself, well, if it's horrible, it's just horrible for me, no one else. And I'm not gonna complain because, like, well, I did it myself. I did it to myself. I have to eat it even if it's horrible. Okay. So yeah, but on my first day, on my first day, I burned the pub. It turned yellow. It was so freaking yellow. Like, oh my God. You know what? I think the stores that we're having here, they are kind of very strong and fast. They have too much heat. Even if you switch it off, it takes time to be like cold, to go on cold. Like you can switch it off and continue cooking. Like, wow. So I told myself, like, no, an extra 5 minutes will do. Then after that 5 minutes, when I went back, oh my God, the kitchen it's filled with the smell of burning pub, burning porridge. Oh my God. But then, well, as time went on, I got better, and I'm still getting better. It's just I think it's just the fourth week or the third week since I arrived. Third or fourth, I don't know, somewhere in between. But yeah, it's getting better and better, and I think I am saving much more money as compared to eating at dining hall, because at dining hall, let's just assume that yeah, I think each meal this year is like 45 rand. Okay, and I was taking breakfast, lunch, and supper, so that is 45 times 3. I think that is about 135. Check my math. Okay, 135 per day. 135, 135, 135. That is times 5. Oh my God, that's a whole lot of money in a week. And remember, there's still a weekend. But on weekend, when you're catered, there's no breakfast. There's only lunch and supper, lunch and supper. So that is also 135 times 2 again. Plus 135 plus times 5. Oh my God, that's a lot of money in a week. But in here, look, I just buy a maize meal that is like 5 kg, and it's like 50 bucks. And I buy what is it, maybe a 2 kg of bry pack. We call it bry pack. Yes, bry pack. And it will last me like maybe 2 weeks, 2 weeks or 1 week. Let's just say 2 weeks. 50 rand plus 75 rand. Okay, that can last me a whole 2 weeks. Imagine. So how much am I spending? It's just a huge save. If of course, if you are able to use your money wisely, it's a huge saving. And the nice part is that when you're staying at catered rest, even if you can go broke, you know that, you know what, even if I can be dead broke, I'm still gonna have 3 meals per day. I'm not gonna go to bed hungry. But then here, if you go broke, my friend, disaster, because you have to buy your own food. Okay, you have to buy your own food. But then the nice part about Junction is that, let me just say about staying in campus, is that you don't have to buy your own electricity. I was so praying hard that, oh my God, I hope we don't have to buy our own electricity. But then when I got here, what? There's fridge, there's electricity. You just have to bring your own pots, you have to bring your own cooking things and food. That is all. And I've been enjoying cooking. Like honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you. The experience is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Yeah, it's not bad at all. And I think I I'm happy with the food that I'm eating, the food that I'm cooking for myself. Not that because I don't have a choice, but because I get to have a variety of food at dining hall. When they're cooking for you, they don't add those spices, salt. There's no salt in the food, and you don't have much of a choice. You just have to eat it. Like, it was just hard, and I don't even know what to say, because I feel like I've been depriving myself an opportunity to just be happy about the food that I'm eating for 3 years. But now, well, it's okay. I am happy now. I'm cooking for myself and I'm not finding any challenges. As much as I pray that I never run out of money to buy food, but I am happy that about the food that I'm eating, and I think I'm gonna gain some few kilos, because wow, I think I'm eating too much. Or maybe the food that I'm eating is much nicer. According to my taste buds, it's nicer as compared to what I've been eating the past years. But I suggest that if you are first year, it's good to be catered, because you don't want to deal with the transition to varsity and pods that side waiting for you. But now it's better because we're having online learning, so you won't be tired from coming from classes and walking around main campus or whatever campus you'll be using, taking the bus or walking back to your rest, and then there are pots there waiting for you and your stomach is rumbling because you're hungry. You don't have to go through that. You're just in your room during the breaks of the classes. Like during lunchtime, you can take that 1 hour break, you can cook, you can do something about it. So yes, so far the experience is good and I'm happy about it. I think I'm gonna be self-catered way forward. I don't think I'm ever gonna return to dining hall. Oh my god, no, I can't do that to myself. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, that is just that. Oh, by the way, yeah, I didn't mention that I am staying at the rest that I'm referring to, it's Junction. The past 3 years I was staying at Medhurst. This year I got moved to Junction. Okay, yes, so bye bye.